Okay, guys, when you want to make a Google slide, you're going to go into your Drive, make sure you're signed into your Google account, and you're just going to click New. When you do that, you'll see these kind of options pop up, and you're going to go into Google Slides and click that button. My internet is running slow right now, so I apologize for the wait. But the new Google slide is going to pop up, and you want to make sure that you are sharing that with Mrs. Rubel or me, Mrs. Weiss, or both of us. So you have this pop up, and you can immediately click that share button. You can name it your name, farm presentation, and then it'll pop up to share for us. And you're going to click me, and you're going to click Mrs. Rubel, click done, and it'll be shared with us automatically. Then you just want to name it, whatever the local farm is, put your name in there. And then when you want to add more slides, you're going to click this little plus button, and it'll add a new slide. These are just fun little themes on the side here that you can choose from if you want to make it funky or fun. This is what I used for our end of the year presentation. And you can pick different colors and things like that. When you want to add a picture, you can do insert image, and you can upload one that you might have saved from your computer in your research. Or if you find a picture you like, you could just copy it from your computer and paste it right in here, right click, and then just paste it. And that'll add the picture there, and you can make different sizes and things like that. You can easily list your facts on here and just continue to click that plus button, and you can play around and make it as fancy or not fancy as you want. All right, you guys got this. Good luck. Let us know if you have any questions.